Hello everybody, welcome back to my art and crafts class. Today I will teach you how to make a greetings card and based on Independence Day. So for this card I have arranged some handmade papers, adhesive and nothing but else sketch pens and scissor. So first of all, I will make some flowers like this. How to make a flower, that I will teach you. Suppose I am taking this color of handmade paper. First, cut it in a rectangle shape. Then make it in a rectangle shape and cut the paper. Cut the paper in a rectangle shape. From there, I can take one piece. Now, I will draw a flower on it. If you draw it with the sketch pen, it will be better to cut the flower. First, I will make two straight lines. Two straight lines like this. See? Now make it like this shape. What I am doing, just I am doing this. My shapes are ready. Now I can cut it. See, in two way you can cut the papers. You can fold it this way. You can fold it this way and then you can cut it. See, now one shape is ready. So make it in a flower shape. Again I will take this type of blue color paper. Again I will draw, but now this time I will draw in a different way. You can, children, you can take one scale if you like. This time you will cut the paper in a square way. Then again this page is ready. Now what you will do? Straight line, two straight line. Now you will count 1, 2, 2. I will show you how I am doing. See, I have done this way. Now I will just cut it. in a round shape. My flower is almost ready. Again I will cut another one, grass type. I will make it with this green paper. You know how to make a grass? Just only corner type. See, corner type. Draw in a corner way. See, and then you will cut it. Almost this flower is ready. My flower is ready. Now only what I will do, I will just stick it, nothing else. This orange color paper I have taken to make a card. I will make it little in an artistic way. Stick the base on it with the adhesive. Now you will learn that how you will make it. Adhesive, and only with the sketch pen write here something to respected father from Napoleon. Means you all are Napoleons. You can write here Jai Hind. So children, your independence card is ready. Your independence card is ready. Almost. Here you write Jai Hind. I hope you all have enjoyed this card making and you do on your own. Thank you and bye bye.